How children learn. All children and adults have their own learning style. There is the visual learner who learns best through the use of images. There is the kinesthetic learner who learns best through physical interaction. There is the auditory learner who learns best by listening. And finally, there is the logical learner who learns best by thinking conceptually and mathematically. During my placement, I discovered that some children may use different learning styles depending on the subject or topic at hand. I found that many of the children would learn kinesthetically in maths. They would benefit from having objects in front of them to help them understand the concept. For example, cubes can be used for counting and multiplying. Numicon can be used to solve addition problems involving two-digit numbers, and clocks can be used to help children understand time. Some children would learn visually in maths. They would benefit best if the teacher modelled how to answer the problem and then had to answer another themselves. This would also allow the teacher to check the children's understanding. I found that in guided reading, many children would be visual and auditory learners. They would look at the word and could attempt to sound out that word, although they would occasionally need help. Some children would look at the pictures in their book and use these to decipher what the words or sentence could be. Finally, children should want to learn and be interested in the world around them, otherwise they can distract other children and struggle with their work as they do not listen. Therefore, learning should be fun and exciting to help engage children to learn. To summarise, in my future practice I will include all learning styles within lesson planning to develop children's interest in the subject and help make the lesson fun. I will also look to improve upon my modelling so that children can gain a better understanding of the topic at hand. And finally, when working with individuals, I will tailor the support to their needs and abilities.